Today we're going to show you how to make your own YouTube single view watch TV in high fidelity. Hello and welcome to the tutorial. So the first thing we got to do is we have to create our TV. So we're going to press the create button today and click on the web button there, the big button there. It's a lovely button. Now you'll see the source URL. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type in, I'm going to copy and paste this, but I will leave the link below as well so you can grab it. But you want https / all the usual stuff in Gavin's youtube.com/TV, and this is the most important bit here. Now if we are going to be using this on desktop, we need to take the grabbable off, and that will reset it, and we'll be able to click on it. So that's pretty much it is. I mean, we could say this is a TV if we really wanted to as well, you know, but it is a single player TV, guys, so it does pretty much what it says, and it's just like you would be on Android TV. So pretty much like that. So let's give it a little test trial, and we'll give it a search, and we will search for It's Just Purples. Of course we would. And there you go. It comes up, and I have my page and stuff, and I can watch it. You can just search for anything you like in here, and just keep, you can even log in. So that is amazing. But I will see you next time. This was a quick one, and thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.